Today is a very anticipated day. This is my LSU Tiger Longe and Underdark Sicilian. This fig was started from a cutting 2 years ago, and today is the first day to get to try a ripe LDA fig. So let's cut this baby open and see how it goes. It's been hanging here for about 3 days since it started to really change color, and I tried to be patient about it. So we're going to check it out and see just how ripe it is. So for starters, figs ripen from the bottom of the tree and work their way up. So the next few are not quite there yet, but this one for sure is. I think it's actually the first. Yeah, it's the first in the line. Fig fruit also ripen from the bottom to the neck, so the neck is really soft at the moment, and you can see it is actually hanging on the tree, just touching the tree. It's fallen totally from basically a nearly horizontal position to just hanging on the side of the tree. So here we go. Enough talking. Okay, there it is. Probably don't need a knife to open it. There's the eye at the bottom, ready to go. Let's just slice it. Oh, that just cut like absolutely nothing. Yeah, that cut like absolutely nothing at all. And there it is. Absolutely gorgeous. First fig, 2 years in the making. Started from a cutting in 2020. Let's give this a taste and see how it goes. That's pretty delicious. I think the next time I'll leave it on the tree for a couple more days just to see if there's much of a change, but it's been pretty soft for the better part of this week. So yeah, strawberry, berry, very jam-like, very soft and mushy. Again, I think a couple more days might have really done it some favors, but there you go. First fig out of this garden.